All right, guys, Josh Bendowski out here fishing with my man, Precision Fisherman. Hey, we are doing a review video. Randy bought this. It's a Leatherman,
Gerber.
but it's a Gerber. 25 years ago. So we're gonna have Randy just do like a short review on it. It's got all kinds of stuff. 25 years? Are you kidding me?
What we have here today is the competition when Leatherman come out from Gerber. It's a multi-tool, the pliers. Nice thing about this one is you don't have to unfold it. You can just kind of flick your wrist.
Whip it.
Comes out, locks, or you can press it, locks. There's all your standard features here. But the nice thing about this is, unlike the Leatherman where the blade would come back on you, this locks with this mechanism here, so this blade does not
Don't come back on you.
back to cut your finger, as does all the other components that you have in this tool, including a rim grip.
Oh, check this out, guys. Let me get close up on this. This is what is that made of, do you think?
It's a diamond style grip material that's infused onto the steel for cutting heavy metal, wire.
Yup.
And it locks also. Phillips screwdriver. All your basic multi-tool stuff here. It comes out, it's got your file, double-sided.
Yep, file for sharpening your hooks up.
Bottle opener. And the Fiskar scissors. It's a Fiskar brand scissor. It's really nice.
Boom. Okay, and here's the best part about this tool here, is that Randy has had this for 25 years. This thing has lasted. So that's what I'm talking about. Booyah. Check them out. Gerber. Boom. Get this one through the ice. Oh yeah! Catfish right there.